Ngatho cia mwanya wa Kigwaru Kabiru hatire ngaja ikiriho ni mathaa mega mauko tukihungura thiini wa matura matiganite tukimenye niki kiahanika matura-ini macio ona ningi county gikunyita ugeni njitagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru mutwathi na njashiko etagwo Abui wa Gaku tariki ni 18 naguo mweri ni wa Gathano na tukiambiriria ni ati President William Ruto ni arugamirie kigomano kia ugima wa mwiri kiria gigukorwo githi na mbere nginyagia muthenya wa rucio kuria KICC na matanya manene ma kigomano giki ari kugacirithia njira cia kuhitana na mirimu ya ngoro ona cukari kurehe mogaruruku oro hamwe na kugacirithia ukinyaniria wa tabarira cia urigitani guku bururi-ini. President anyitite ugeni makiria ma atungati a ugima wa mwiri a muingi.
I want to confirm that hospitals in the most peripheral of places today receive funding directly from SHA. And in many cases, and I've said this before, the challenge we have as governors is to control what they do with that money so that they're not using it to just do more pavements and more renovations, but use it to things that can actually help patient care. This would not have been achievable without SHA, Your Excellency, and without all the policy changes. Your administration has thought through everything from financing to policies to digitization, and as a council we appreciate the partnership that we have. And for those saying that they will scrap SHA, it's akin to telling us that they will destroy the roads that have been tarmacked once they get into office. As of 30th July 2026, we have installed medical equipment valued at 9.68 billion shillings in 251 health facilities across our 44 counties, showing 239 county facilities and 8 national facilities.
For years, Kenya lived with a contradiction we should never have accepted, that access to health could depend on the size of a citizen's wallet. Illness could force a farmer to sell his livestock or sometimes his land. Too often, treatment became a debt and sickness a pathway to poverty. That was wrong. It was also unjust.
Mwigi uthiite na mbere na kugathiriria uguni wa motungata ma urigiti ma SHA makiria andu aria matari na uhoti makiuga igunite nginyagia ciana ciao. Atongoria matiganite na maugite andu no marathie na mbere na kwiyandikithia rungu rwa mubango ucio wa SHA ona gutika ni morite manathi aria magomeire wira makorwo magicoka
ili waweze kufaidika mwisho na unafuata maagizo hadi mwisho. Leo ni siku njema. Na wenye wako mbali tunataka tusonge karibu sisi wote. I'm looking the mafa inasapa.
Nina furaha sana, mheshimiwa ametulipia SHA kwa mwaka moja. Hiyo tunasema tu asante.
Watu wenye tunafaa kurejeza, we are a population of 1.9. Bungoma County yote iko na population ya 1.9 people. Watu wenye wanafaa kuwa registered on SHA wanafaa kuwa 1.6. Lakini imagine saizi vile tunaongea tumefikisha 600.
Community health promoters are our first line of defense, so that as we think of treating people, if we can think of preventing fast, that can really be very good.
Tunataka kumwomba waziri ambaye anahusika, waziri Aden Duale na serikali za county na wale maafisa wa afya ambao wanahusika, tafadhali muweze kusemezana, suluhu iweze kupatikana ili nurses warudi kwa hospitali, kwa sababu watu wetu wako wanaumia sana.
Ukienda hospitali and you are registered na hospitali inakusumbua, tupigie watu wa SHA. Umesikia? Msiumie kama mmenyamaza.
Wauguzi tunawahitaji kazini, wamama wajawazito na watoto wanaumia. Hatulali, simu niende wapi? Simu niende wapi? Private hospitals around. Tafadhali tusaidieni wamama, msiwasongeshe kando.
Ugonjwa unakuja wakati uko broke. Hata hapo kwa hospitali, wakati ya Christmas hatuna ugonjwa. Ikifika Januari, Februari, wagonjwa na namba inaenda juu. Hivyo ndio kwa maana kukuwa na SHA ni kitu ya maana. Kwa wakati hauna pesa, alizo ukikuwa na SHA itakusaidia kwa mambo ya matibabu. Na uzuri ya SHA, ukilipa leo hapo na hapo inatumika.
Tugitigana na shige ugima mwene atongoria kiama kia UDA no mathiete na mbere na kuhurira irefe mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto acaguro itena ria keri mwaka ukite. Atongoria ni makumithite uteti wa irumi ukabira na rumena wa mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi wa Gachagua makiuga marenda andu makuru na urumwe.
Yolo ra ngara onni na dianga na laigwana nigiti olaigwana nigitok ni lolo na lo dio na lo disi.
Kura ambayo itapigwa na kazi yako. Ile kazi ambayo umefanya ndio utapewa. Ile ambayo hajafanya kazi nyumbani polepole tu.
Kila mtu achukue kura, sababu kura yako ndio itakuwa sauti yako mwaka ujao. Na mwaka ujao ukifika, rais wetu ni mmoja na term ni ngapi?
We are walking across the nation, moving step by step, shoulder by shoulder, as brothers and sisters in one country under God, rejecting the politics of ethnicity and rejecting the politics of the likes of Wamunyoro, because as a Kikuyu, I know that the person who guarantees the long-term interest of the community that I come from is that person who champions for the Kikuyu community to unite with the rest of the communities in Kenya so that we can move this country forward.
Na kio gikundi kia Vocal Africa ni gikumithite tharikira iria natungio andiki a mohoro iria mishamanio ya kiuteti matongoretio ni Hussein Khalid maugite nginya ngari cia nyumba cia umemerekia iramundio mwaki na andu nginyagia kuragwo kuria morite thirikari gutigirira nyumba cia mohoro ni cia heo wiyathi wayo.
This deteriorating situation is not just a source of concern, but it's also now taking lives of Kenyans. We also know of vehicles that have been burnt belonging to the media, and by any means, freedom of the media cannot be treated in this manner in Kenya. Clearly, the authorities must do more to protect the media. In any given democratic dispensation, the media is a key element. And without the media, we cannot by any means consider ourselves a democratic society. So we are calling on the state to ensure that the freedom of the press and freedom of the media is guaranteed. We are asking politicians to keep away our media. So we are asking the NCIC, when will you stop the rhetoric and issuing public statements and take tangible action instead? We are asking the police, even the DCI said that they had intelligence that there were, youth planning to cause violence. What have you done? Whom have you arrested?
Na maafitha a borithi ni mahithukitie ngunia 22 cia bangi iria ni kilo 800 cia makiria ma ciringi milioni 55. Komanda wa borithi wa Busia Robinson Nangat augite ekwirwo ni maikitio ngono na ningi Nangat athiete na mbere na gukiuga ni tariki 5 mweri uturi ni makorirwo makihithukia dawa cia ndugugio cia ciringi milioni 21 stage-ini ya ngari kure mwena wa Busia.
They are 7. They're supposed to be 7.
Hey, ndio kuonekana kwa TV.
Bangi ile itumeza kunasa kuanzia tarehe 1 mwezi huu Tumeweza kunasa zaidi ya kilo 800 ya pangi, ikiwa street value yake ni more than 35 million Kenya shillings. Hii kesi yote tulikuwa na washukiwa ambao walishikwa, ambao wako hiyo kesi yote wako before court as we speak now. Tarehe 5 mwezi huu tuliweza kunasa madawa mengine inaitwa methamphetamine ambayo ilikuwa 2.65 kgs with street value of 21 million 250,000.
Nigatho riboti yo kuma Busia gatwekanya uko tugithumura oro hanini tuko tugicokereria na riboti gimainie na Johi Ganani.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku. Wagacoke ne turathane na wadada ndigo thenjera.
Nĩ nduku-inya cia tabarĩra yaku ĩrĩa wendete ya gwĩceka tũciongereire mwago nĩguo we na kũmboeka mũikare mũraihanĩrĩirie. Hashtag inya cia gũkwagĩrithĩria mĩthenya yaku. Monday nĩ hashtag mũthenya wa kerĩ nĩ gũtaũkwo na kũmenya ciĩgiĩ mũcani ũcio ũgũcanjamũraga thĩinĩ wa
hashtag tumenye msanii.
Hello mũtungatĩri
Ndagwo Bishop Sammy K
Zero Thiga turari na Joy Janet.
Naguo mũthenya wa Wednesday nĩ hashtag
kĩũndũ kĩa mwanya atĩa
twagũtarĩria maũndũ ũtoĩ ũtarĩ waigua na marĩa ũĩ ũtoĩ gĩtũmi kĩamo.
Nĩ ũĩ rũĩ rũrĩa rũteng'eraga mũno thĩinĩ wa Afrika, nĩ ũĩ rũĩ rũrĩa rũteng'eraga thĩinĩ wa thĩ yothe.
Aramithi nĩ matene.
Hashtag matene yani
matu maũndũ marĩa mahanĩkaga tene na marathiĩ mariganĩire tũgĩkũririkania nĩguo ndũkariganĩrwo nĩmo.
Ndĩkagwiga bita nĩkĩwaria gĩtũitwa nyoni tataika nyone
nĩ gwĩceka tabarĩra ĩrĩa ĩgũkinyagĩra o mũthenya kwambĩrĩria thaa 9 cia hwaĩ-inĩ thĩinĩ wa Kiheo TV. Ũgĩterevoni waku ũtagũtiga kada iheo kĩhĩri MC Kĩhenji wa Gĩtawa.
Hihi we murutwo ũrĩkĩtie form 4 kana mũciari ũrethera mwana wake thukuru ndũgatangĩke rĩngĩ kuona thukuru wa Wanjiru Technical College rĩu nĩ ũragwĩtĩra intake. Gũkũ arutani aitũ nĩ makinyanĩire ikĩro iria ciagĩrĩire na tũrutaga arutwo aitũ na macini cia kĩrĩu na makaheo ũmenyo ũrĩa wagĩrĩire kũringana na kothi ciao. Kothi citũ nĩ ta ũrugi nĩguo hospitality, ũthaka arĩguo cosmetology, ũmemerekia arĩ journalism and film production, engineering and construction, health sciences, barista training, ICT and artificial intelligence na thiomi cia nanja ta German. Marĩhi maitũ nĩ mabacĩrĩre wega gũkinyĩria gĩkĩro gĩothe kĩa mũrutwo. Tũcerere ũmũthĩ Roy Sambu Jewel Complex gorofa ya 6 kana no tũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0701 300 nĩyo 0701 300 071. Weheke mieke tanathira. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic gate utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint hapa, automatic gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma. Kenya nzima Kemuma. Twende nalo Kemuma, njoo na mi twende Kemuma. Vitu ni fresh, mali yote fresh, hapana deal na mtumba, kila kitu ni fresh. Ukitaka mali safi, njoo na mi twende Kemuma Engineering System. Wa security tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti. Suka
Kemuma Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigiririki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muigi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici citoro Esambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM. Kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Tabarira ya Korimotha irekoretwo igukinyira o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia wa kana thaa 4 cia rucine kinyagia thaa 7 cia miaraho. Riu yukite na nditi nene muno makiria.
Inapoendelea kunyecha, watambili wa hali ya anga wamesema kwamba wamechema.
Watambili wa number 1 microphone commander kama wa idara KW.
Wawa wengari kosia mwena wapa matirare karodi na mbere.
Mari hamwe na women rep Susan wa Ngoro iri gukinyagira kwambiriria thaa 5 cia rucine kinyagia thaa 7 cia miaraho. Riu iri na mwarahuko wa magegania mathaa meri ma rwimbo tu, mwago utagitigika.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ngujite ugeni orore githini wa ikerekaria keri na aria muthia andu anyinyi aria amwe ni anyui na huthiri a njohi gananie kana anyui a njohi ni marurunganite Kikuyu na gukaya mateithio mehererie njohi cia kuhuananio ona kana iria marekwa cirathondekirwo mikira-ini na kwenderio matari na umenyo. Marurunganite thutha wa umwe wao gukwa ari kirabu kimwe mwena wa Kikuyu ruma kenda thirikari kukia njohi cia ndugugio.
Usikume toka enda huko. Sasa leo kushika mkono. Madhara ile imeenda ni kuua watu. Unakunywa leo unaenda kukufia kwa nyumba, hata ukufia hapa. Wamekuse. Wanafaa kuangalia virabu zote, license zote waangalie vizuri. Pombe haramu hakuna kuuzwa huku Kikuyu. Hata si Kikuyu tu peke yake. Huko kwingineko. Tunataka tukunywe pombe yenye hata kama ni keki vizuri na ikuwe mpaka na license. Hii pombe imeharibu vijana wetu. Hata wewe mwenye amekufa juzi ni kijana wa 10 sasa kukufa kwa hii club bado. Hii klabu tunataka ifunguliwe, tufunguliwe mkahawa hapo ndani. Tuwe tunakunywa chai, tunakula chakula, tunashiba. Lakini maneno ya pombe ishe hapo ndani. Na bado pombe ijaisha hapo ndani, itolewe yote. Pombe ni
calling for total reform of the regulation of alcohol. I think there has even been concern that we need to continue raising the minimum age of alcohol. We need to look at how licensing and how oversight is being done to make sure that we can completely eradicate illegal counterfeit alcohol that's actually killing people. We have a lot of people that are dying from alcohol here in Kiambu County. We have a lot of young people that are addicted, and this is a major threat to our young people here in Kiambu.
Nigatho njitikiria twikire gaturumo hau no wona sherekia kwihanda thaa ithatu tugekara ikoni nawe tugucemania uruhaha ngetika mwa Wanjiru mutwathiri na njira ya shiko au mawabui wa gakuthi na mbere na gucagura Kiheo TV.